One of the major things I like in ManWinWin is the mobility that nowadays we can have with the software by using smartphones, iPhones, iPads. With the information that we have already for the equipment through the years, it's easy for us to know exactly if we should invest in that equipment. I think your support it's a very strong item, and all the ability that the software had to improve through the years with the new trends, with the new suggestions that all the maintenance have. ManWinWin help us also to elaborate and see later on where we put it hours and costs and save money eventually.